Hi everyone, my name is Ion, and today we're going to do a periscope. A periscope is meant that allows you to see without your direct line of sight. And this one is a scissors. And do tape, the cutter, glue, ruler, the protractor, pencil, and cardboard. First we will mark the lines and where we cut it, and don't forget to write the 45-degree angle. Okay, the other side. Here, okay. This one. Where do we have the nose? Here. Here. Now we're going to cover the top and the bottom. Now let's just test the periscope.
A DIY periscope usually uses two mirrors placed at angles inside a tube. Here are the answers to your questions. What happens to light inside the periscope? Light from the object enters the top opening of the periscope and effects of the first mirror. The light then travels down the tube and effects of the second mirror, which directs the light into the viewer's eye. This allows the person to see objects that are not in their direct line of sight. Where are the mirrors placed at 45 degrees? The mirrors are placed at 45-degree angles so that light hitting the mirror is reflected at a 90-degree angle. This setup allows the light to be redirected down the tube and then toward the viewer's eye. What would happen if the angle is not 45 degrees? If the mirrors are not at 45 degrees, the light would reflect in the wrong direction. The image might be distorted, partially visible, or not visible at all, because the light would not properly reach the viewer's eye. Where are periscopes used in real life? Periscopes are used in several real-life situations, such as a means to see above the water while staying underwater, military tanks and armored vehicles to observe surroundings safely,